Before you begin reading, think about what you already know about your brain. What does your brain really do? Does it fill the space between your ears? Well, yes, but your brain can do so much more. Your brain helps you think and remember and name what you see and what you hear. It lets you move your body and feel, both touch and emotions. Your brain does all the things that makes you you. When you get to this page, think about what things make you you. So, what is your brain? Is it a muscle? No, the brain is an organ in your body. It's made up of cells and tissue. The brain controls everything you do, everything you think, everything you feel, even everything you dream. The brain has many parts that do all kinds of different jobs. The cerebellum is a small part at the back of the brain that helps your muscles to coordinate your movement and your balance so that you can walk, ride a bike, or play tag. Your cerebrum is the largest part of your brain. It helps you think and speak. The prefrontal cortex is the part of your brain behind your forehead. It lets you make plans and decisions. The hippocampus is at the center of your brain. It works like a file cabinet to help you store and find memories. The amygdala is a tightly packed group of cells deep within the center of the brain that controls your emotions. Neurons are everywhere in your brain. They are tiny brain cells that make electrical signals to send messages to other cells in your body telling them what to do. When you were born, you were very little. Your brain was small and not so strong. As you get older, your body grows and gets stronger. As part of your body, your brain grows and learns to do new things. And you can make your brain do even more. Your brain grows very fast during the first 10 years of your life. This is the magic decade, when you can help your brain grow faster and be more powerful. Just like lifting weights helps your muscles get stronger, learning new things strengthens your brain. You can give your brain a good workout by trying to learn many different things. Like elastic bands that stretch when you pull them, even things that are hard at first, or that you don't like to do, or that you don't do very well, get easier when you keep trying. Think about the first time you played soccer. You probably couldn't kick the ball far or make many goals, but as you kept going to practices, you learned more about the rules of the game and followed your coach's directions. The muscle in your legs and feet got stronger, your movements were more coordinated, and you could run further and faster. Learning more and practicing what you learned let you play better and have more fun. Practice really does make perfect, or at least much better. When you get to these pages, think of a time when you struggled with an activity or assignment, and how did your brain grow to help you improve? Even when you make a mistake while you're learning something new, you are still training your brain. You will remember that mistake and try something else until you get it right. Making mistakes is one of the best ways your brain learns to grow. If you aren't willing to risk being wrong, you won't take the chances that stretch your elastic brain. You can stretch the part of your brain that controls your feelings too. If you are frightened about taking a risk, like learning to swim, finding the courage to put your face in the water stretches your amygdala. It will remind you that you overcame your fear, so you will be braver the next time something scares you, like diving into the water. Learning something new causes the brain to grow more connections among the neurons. With more connections, the neurons can send and receive more messages. These connections help to stretch a part of your brain and make it more elastic so that it can hold more information and ideas. How does the brain stretch and grow? Neuro means that the word is a part of, has something to do with the brain. A sculptor molds, shapes, or carves things out of clay or wood or stone. So, you shape your brain when you make it bigger by adding new things you know and can do. You're a neurosculptor. When you learn something new, you're building on what you have already learned. In the same way, the muscles in your body work together when you want to lift a heavy object or kick a ball. The different parts of your brain working together when you're learning something new. The more different kinds of things you learn and think about, the more you can learn, know, and enjoy. The harder you try without giving up, the more you will learn. You really can train your brain to be fit and strong and to keep stretching and growing throughout your whole life. Now that we've read the book, why do you think it is important to protect your brain?